Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix notification not showing on lock screen after iOS 16 update. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, the very first thing what you need to do is just go to settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Next, swipe down to see notification and tap it. Here, tap on Show Previews and select Always. Now go to the back menu and select the application whose notification is not visible on your screen. In this menu, turn on Allow Notification and select all options under the Alerts menu. After that, tap on Show Previews and then select Always. So guys, if this method doesn't work on your iPhone, then try the next method. Method 2 is disable do not disturb. For that, open the control center on your iOS device. In the control center menu, tap focus. Now a new menu will appear on your screen. Here, turn off do not disturb if it's on. That's it. So guys, finally I will ask you to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.